As an e-commerce grows, putting away stocks and picking them back can become complicated, as the manual process is time-consuming, prone to error, and can slow down a fast-moving e-commerce business. Soon you will realize that adding one more staff is not helping you to solve the problem. So the automation is the way to grow rapidly and cost-effectively.
The need was to provide an automated goods-to-person system which was very scalable and flexible to start in a smaller way initially, but to then to grow with the client's needs. The journey typically would start with a lot of analysis of the data of the customer, looking at the throughput, looking at a target throughput for growth and the storage requirement, and then we fit the solution to meet that. So we're looking at what the customer's storing and moving through his warehouse, and then the solution is then fit for that. Typically we're looking at sort of 12 to 20 weeks from the date of sign off to go live, so it's very, very quick.
AMR solutions are incredibly flexible and incredibly modular. Whereas with traditional systems, you have technology which can take some time to deliver, install, commission and go live, and then cause some headaches, if you like, if you want to move it to a different part of the warehouse or you want to move to a different warehouse in general. The flexibility which AMR solutions from the likes of Geek Plus can provide is much, much better. I think the other thing that's really important to consider is that the cost has come down a lot in recent years, so they're a lot more attainable and the return on investment is much more palatable than it was perhaps this time 5 years ago.
We believe we have made a wise, financially viable decision. The system pays for itself as you need fewer staff to pick, pack, ship the same number of orders every day. If you use the system to its capacity, you can recover your investment within 2 years.
The way the solution works is the AMRs, the autonomous mobile robots, use QR codes for navigation on the floor of the warehouse and basically will bring a mobile shelf to the operator for picking. The whole system is powered by a robot management system on the software that's designed to route intelligently the robots, charge them automatically, and they are designed to work 24/7 if required. This is also then powered by an inventory management system which links to the customer's own warehouse management system, and this has artificial intelligence built in which is designed to intelligently manage the collation of the stock, to really focus on the items which are in demand are always as close as possible to the operator, so that the journey for that pick is always as fast and as optimised as possible.
What makes AMR solutions really, really interesting is their ability to integrate with other warehouse technologies. It's not just about an AMR solution, period. You can have an AMR solution which integrates with automated packaging equipment, automated bagging machines, automated boxing machines, an incredibly flexible solution which can integrate with other technologies in the warehouse.
We have been dealing with Breathe Technologies for the past 4 years. We approached them to help us with a solution that is viable and cost-effective. We have discussed many options with them, but we decided to go ahead with Geek Plus AMR solution as it was very efficient and scalable solutions. With this solution, we can increase the number of racks and robots as the business grows. Geek Plus also gives us the option to lease robots to meet the seasonal increase on demands. We can stock now up to 50% more SKUs within the same space. We see significant improvement on put away and picking, speed and efficiency. Traditional conveyor are not modular and scalable. With this solution in place, we have overcome this challenge. Rangeplus now poised for rapid growth within the wholesale e-commerce sector, not only within the United Kingdom, but globally.